Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on the angle you are watching me from. How are you guys doing? Please, if you come across my video, please share the program. Good morning, good afternoon. Tag Harrison Bamnishi. I don't know whether maybe he has blocked me or whatever. Tag him on this platform. Harrison, so you have recruited another person to be soliciting fund for you. I don't know why all these ex-convicts that we have in Nigeria always give us trouble. I don't know why. Harrison Bamnishi, wait, you know, when I saw you taking over these two young ladies' case, I knew you were up to something. When I saw you forwarding yourself in this particular two young ladies that were kidnapped, I know you're coming for something. Harrison Bamnishi, when will you stop this your scamming activities? I just want to find out. Guys, share this video, tag her, and even tag this lady. I know that she wanted me to drag her into this mess. I know she's interested in this. How much? Because I saw you where you were giving all these accolades, where you were giving Harrison details, you know, patronizing Harrison, lifting Harrison up, saying that Harrison is one of the best. Harrison went to. Do you know much? So you knew that Harrison is a born criminal. Harrison, that all these things you are saying, that means you have been in this saga since Ada Jesus case. So you did not hear when Ada Jesus' mother cried that Harrison took all the money that they raised father. So you did not hear. So I don't understand these people. Does it mean that you guys pretend that you guys don't know history of this Harrison Bamnishi? Why is it that everybody come as you guys trying to pretend and shadow? Harrison is the only son. Harrison is that. Harrison. If you are at present when Ada Jesus case happened, you should not bring this case to this table. You that running your mouth. What are you even trying to insinuate? Like you don't know Harrison history, Kogene. I just don't understand. Or Harrison or Gedegi percentage, because that is how he has been settling bloggers to be carrying all his scamming business activities around. Harrison Bamnishi wo ojibo born bandit onyoshiko. I am not a million na gwagea. This Harrison let me even bring that lady that is stuttering on her about. Harrison did Ada Jesus. Harrison, that means you are aware. You are aware when Ada Jesus case took place, how the mother of Ada Jesus cried to this Harrison. Harrison took all the money without giving it to them. So you want to pretend that you don't know about Harrison Kogene. You knew about Harrison. That was why you started talking about when Ada Jesus we are buried. When Ada Jesus was buried. When Ada Jesus did this. That Harrison is the only son. Harrison has been doing activity job. Doing activity job from who? Doing activity job from who? When I knew when Harrison was presenting himself on this matter of these two young ladies, I knew the Onyoshi is coming for another scamming business. Harrison wait, Harrison, you opened the GoFundMe for what? Harrison, you came out here early last year that you are owing people over 100 and something million. That everybody should gather and raise money for you. Harrison, people donated over 30 something million naira. Harrison, you swallow Ebwe's money. Not that lady. Tag this lady here. That want to give you, that want to use this and deceive you. And deceive people that are awake. Yes, always fighting you monsters. Always fighting you monsters. Ndamusu. So you want to tell me you don't know when Ibori gave Ebwe 6 million to go and kill himself, that Harrison swallowed that money? This woman here. Eh? Harrison that you know that is a born criminal. Harrison that claimed a kidney problem and scammed in them mad till today. Harrison have not returned that money. Harrison that claimed kidney problem in our present. You want me to start Harrison matter again? Do you want me to remember it again? Do you want me to reopen it again? Do you want me to? Harrison that came out and told people that he had a kidney problem in this blue apple. In this anyani, it can be done report to one Harrison scamming activities. Eh? Come on. When time for rubbish. Pluck all these idiots. Harrison that came up. That came up and claimed that he had a kidney problem. And people raised Harrison money. Over how many millions? Harrison buried that money. Tell me the level people can go to an extent of claiming kidney problem. How low can you go to come and scam the whole world that it with a kidney problem? They started investigating to find out whether there is any kid. You want me to show you? Hold on, let me open it. Hold on. Oh, you guys think you know any chakodanya? Na lie. If you don't know it, I will start it again. If you don't know it, I will start it again. So, Harrison, you came out again in the name of that Iberi making a game. Go fund me. On what case? 30-something million you was asking for 100 and something million last year. People donated 36 million to you. Where are those money? It's that money making Harrison Bamnishi. It's making Harrison Bamnishi. It's making it. God, that Jesus, the mother was crying for you to refund. Did you refund it? Did you refund it, Harrison? Why is it that every little case that came out, you want to use it to pave way? Harrison Bamnisha, why is it that every little case, Bacon in a raise, 100 and something pounds and I go fund me for what? Actually, me matagodi why it that's go fund me in a raise here for what? Why are you raising that money? Guys, share this video. I have shared this video. You see this matter? Ishi this guy. Can suspend to go to other cases. And I'm see this your case. Woto. This blue app. Oh, I posted it to you guys are commenting, thinking you will shut my mouth. How they don't know me? It seems like you don't know me. How they came out of my on a page, you come and take it away from my mouth. I want to know. Harrison, will you tell us the reason why you're raising GoFundMe? The money you generated last year, the money you generated last year, what did you do with it? I want to find out the money you came out. Hey, my people, I don't see one thing about me. I don't care whether you like me or not. Also, like you joku bend it. Also, like you joku kono it. Because of you presented yourself in this case, I know you're coming for something. I wanted to cool down. That thing. I know you're coming for this case. You're presenting your face for people. Harrison, why are you trying to squeeze our people because of your dubious character? Why is it dubious money? The 100 and something million you stick last year. Where is that money? Tell your personal fund. Okay, in a go fund me again for what now? So they did a good job. Harrison last year, again. So you did a good job. Why did you go fund me for 100 and something? Hold on. You guys are easily to be maneuvered. I'm telling you. 181 pounds. 181 pounds, equivalent to 10,000 euro. Yoshi raised by Guinea of 10,000 euro targeted. Excuse me, because can Harrison give us the details of how much he put into this case? So you said you're fighting for Nde. Only fighting for Nde. So each of everybody that's 10,000 euro. Will he remain investigating to put in a lot of work? Is that what you want to tell me? So the money people generate barely a year. Kenya Harrison Giane. Ego kidney or deceive from them to with a kidney problem. Where is that money? Why didn't you guys ask Harrison to return that money? Or Clemon with a kidney problem. Where is that money? Where is that? I don't know why people who tell you guys keep on trying to shut somebody's mouth. I'm not battery shot or mouth. You got report to which page? Oh yeah? Goodbye. Rest in hell. Now go report it. So, kidney problem. Harrison Birabaji scam one day mad with a kidney problem. Later found out that you have a kidney problem. Did Harrison return the money to the owners? I come now, June. Or every minute, Harrison are in another form. Because he got who also mad putea. Okay, Harrison Janayo. So you want to tell me that other human rights activists that have been doing job, they anything any fucking thing Harrison, you use it and raise the money. Is that how gullible these people are? I know that all this while you've been presenting yourself, you're presenting yourself for one thing only, how to use it and scam people. And people are saying, hey, Harrison was born, Harrison, this lady okay, the other Jesus, he used as an example. And Jesus, did Harrison refund the money? The mother was asking for Harrison to refund. The money that Harrison raised on Ada Jesus Samantha, Harrison or refund the money to the family. And I'm a joke, you want to give Harrison the whole accolade, you don't know what. Like we like we don't know what is happening. I'm posting una beneta, you know, una beneta mo. Mua kunu be threatening. Mua, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Maybe you're just a dreamer. You rather talk peacefully than in your warning. I'm not Palang Ogechi, imenka. That will pity you. I am not see Abramunu. I don't have no affiliation with any blogger. I am by myself. No, I'm telling you, make the way it is. And I'm a June. The kidney problem that Harrison raised over 10 million. When you guys discover that there is nothing like any trace of kidney problem, did Harrison return the money? Come now, June. What the fuck are you guys talking? Did Harrison return after telling people, using himself as a victim? People may investigate the matter that Harrison no kidney problem. Did Harrison return the money? Come now, joking. Where is the money? Where is the money? Come to Gunu. Very short on you. Omo shut up. Omo na shut up. I just say asona. Just a little thing now. Because of this victims, he betona create a GoFundMe overnight. He create a GoFundMe overnight. Harrison, owodo onyeke ibadere ibu bikonu ego ibori nyere egbu igwe to go and treat the 5 million. Harrison, where is the money? The 5 million ibori nyere egbu igwe that is swallowed, where is the money? Were you able to return it? Harrison, ego nda deprive na scam people. Where are the money? Go every day get your one. To any go in your room to get the money. To understand your own life, claim one that with a kidney problem. Scam on them mad. If a pre go fund me, just be me guinea. Because of what? So the people have been funding this your useless thing. The money is not enough. Able to get collect your people ego. Before people will start generating, need a boost or release the money. He claimed that he with a kidney problem. That's the money that you claim that you had kidney problem and people raise it for you. Where is the money? Where is the money? In an ajukwa questions. So before na put a bit more cater. See, the one thing about me, I know they hear what you they talk. No, they come my platform to go. Anama chom matter. Especially when more no more. I know the truth. I will emphasize on it. Hello. But look at I deceive the wise ones. Lie. Harrison Guamnishi. Egonde made potara na Egypt people over 100 and something million last year. Where is the God? This girl or Walla your accomplice? You got accomplice Harrison. Harrison get jiggy. Ibabine Harrison Jikora Walker. Don't you been in this blue app? You are not new. If you can remember that Jesus matter, Harrison swallowed their money. That means you have been in this game. Harrison Odilagi to come and give him some accolade to collect money. I am Kukwagi. I got this thing. I know they see the truth. So when it affects you, Harrison Onyerege go to come and talk this rubbish in a kuna. Yeah? Harrison Onyerege, I'm joking. Harrison that use kidney. Wait, come let go show me. Come now here. Practical. Guys, share this video. Come on, shut up. Ogechi Okeke. The person I know you see me. It's like my rubbish when I target you, man. All this ex-convicts, I did not do anything. Police arrested me. That is why I opened this. You a liar. If you did not do nothing, police arrest you 1 month, 2 months. You spent years in jail. All this ex-convicts everywhere. All this ex-convicts, left and right. One of them commit to crime. One of be the good person of this blue app. Or they gonna be a bit deceitful. Who want deceive Harrison? When you claimed that you had a kidney problem, people were busy funding you money. And we direct to the doctor hospital. Doctor said there is no kidney problem. Did you refund those money? What did you do with the money? Were you able to give it back to them? Adaji is also today. Have you ever called the woman and refund the money people generated on Adaji's behalf? The money you came out 100 and something million last year that people should generate for you. Harrison, why didn't you put hand in there to go and do this? Yeah? Why didn't you put hand to tell people where I go 100? How many millions get last year? In a hotel to hotel. Now you came out again because of you visited the this two girls. Now you want to come and use it and scam people. Now lie yo. Oh, you can go fund me. Madam, when any of your relatives money. And when any people want to come and say, I got you, kaka, it's a lie. Harrison, Anama, Juki, everything in the belegi. Were you able to refund those money? Yeah? Were you able to refund those money? Ekonda is scam with the lies. Ego 5 million. Where is that money, Harrison? Akwanga muna give you problem. Akwanga muna give you. He returned that 5 million today. Where is Ebugwe's money? Where is Ebugwe's money, Harrison? Anama Juki Kebe 5 million Ibori Nyereki to give Ebugwe before I came out to solicit money for that Ebugwe. All the survivor. You won't give because of your evil mind that you want to swallow somebody's money. Ebu Igbo akwụkwọ ya kara ịdị damage ruo today. Akwụkwọ Ebu Igbo kara ịdị damage ruo today. Harrison, you swallowed that 5 million to today. You did not bring out that money. And again, I use emotional blackmail, not blackmail. Undenditi. People on Ajukwagaju, being credit. Wait, can go tell your kidney failure fake information. Chere, I'm on your case. Every to reach this thing, I mean, a lie. It's a lie. I'm on your case, poko. Ton kangana sugia because he was on you shake a war. On your shake a war. No deceive in them, madam. A return one at the money. Harrison, that is the only way I will leave you. If you do not return those money, if you do not return the money, if you kill one day, madam, you with a kidney problem. Somebody say, Oshi, let me block this person. You want me to notice you? Get the fuck out of here. Otego, you've been commenting with the round that you can't even go and bail. Udela that is in jail, crack and not like a crazy. That you cannot even go and bear. Oh, a great man. You cannot be a huge swan. How someone block? Okay, get the hell out of here. Ndempi. Let you put the evidence. Ebe gaga claim what kidney problem. Erase over 100, over how many millions? You did not bring out that money road today. Do you see evidence? No. And I'm about so. The facts now. A woman, see, and I'm a poor mother without evidence. And I'm a boge without he were criminal, he were no, facts, evidence, facts. Oh, him maduje, yes. What I'm saying is no, Harrison, any day home in Nigeria, take me to court. I am ready for you. Ejim fact, ejim evidence. Man, Shinya George. On your shake, born one for that matter. And I'm a bogete gash. You scam the you ate the money. Claim money with a kidney problem. People raised money, had their head and money. And did you return the money? Did you return the money? And I call you. Chere. Chere. Now the Harrison is the only son. Harrison is a no baroko game. No they talk rubbish where you know no. Baroko gang no they just they patronize our she here. Okay? Not wariash. $7 million carries it. Evidence. Lepaya. See it here. Lepaya here. Harrison Bamnishi. Scam Duntela here. Let her find out that all layer. If I lie, you go and Google it. Harrison Bamnishi scam Dunte Madon. No one a kidney problem. Is on the internet. Lepaya here. Anyway, I will repost it here. Lepaya go gaga fake here. This is where he faked. Now I'm on a hospital. Namuna hand to kewashi here. So only children like a shot on your up yemeshon. Na lie. No, not God shot to me. I gotta make a joke because I'm no really. The reason why you jump into this case is because such an EGA make another fortune. That's how he does his things. This is Harrison Bamnishi for you. He used every opportunity to grab. Because he's not honest. He's a liar. Pure liar. Ashi. I post here. I go post them. Uno piono ya chonu ne meshono. Chere. I better hear about washing. Facts, evidence. Ya pata biari no mbasari na. Then where is the money? You don't have a kidney problem. There is no kidney problem. Then bring the money. Give it to people. You know they sell Gary again, Dr. Fortunate. You know they sell Gary again. No particular with another game, oh. Don't you share very particular with another game. And I not go keep quiet. Don't particular with another game. You know they sell Gary again. Gary business don't collapse. Last year, put a man 100 million. 100 million pure. Now, Otilago for me again. And when I talk a mission, una de mad. Guys, share this video. Harrison, all we come on again at this matter. Also, like a guy join and the BBC. And the BBC window to go and join them. Say make them the LU. Make them do program. Make them the call. If you like, visit that the freeze program. If you like, visit heaven program. Now lie, okay, today here. Now lie, I put him here for life. I put him here. The Gary business, you know the sell. You came out last year. Need them back 100 million. Raise money. They put the money. Boom. Get him measure. Ashepama. Una two they play. Una two they play. Una two they play. I swear with my life. Una two they play. There ya. Let me make a do show now. Wait. Egidezi Ibrabia. Na ma joke. Matter you obtained by tricks, you obtained by lies, you obtained by lying, scamming innocent people in the name of dealing with a kidney problem. Were you able to refund the money back to the owners? Were you able to return the money back to the owner? If there are people that, okay, let me donate this money. No, you will let swallow. What is the essence of so you cannot bring out money with this money people don't they raise for you? Please, can you tell us? These people no. Le fake hospital admission. Le Harrison no fake hospital admission. Le maybe you not see the doubts. Le Harrison Bamnishi, the choir, they were both fake hospital admission. Le choir, a boy back on a kidney problem. Le Quebe Harrison, no one a kidney problem. Where there is no kidney problem, people donated. People in Harrison, Liam Bombarionu. Somebody got him Meshon. Oh, yeah, we kidding. You know, they do no police job. But Harrison Garanga because of Oshi. Harrison went to jail because of Oshi. Harrison aputazie. Biashina and eku for nde for him. He deceive you the two. Nigerians are very gullible. Until you guys begin to ask questions, some important questions. And what you gonna you nobody go there you no na. And what you gonna you anyhow? Guys, tell them I cannot share, but that share because they said they're gonna report my video. Now share Facebook could disregard any reports. We are creating awareness. This video is for awareness. We are creating awareness. Please disregard any report. What we are doing, we are creating awareness. Facebook. Okay? Look at it. I will post the details to here. And I'll call it show evidence like I'm lying. Go to Google. Figure it out. Harrison. I bought the brand and some other things. He now told me he didn't have any money on him. He collected my purse, ransacked it, and gave it to me. I was surprised, but I kept calm. Later, he took me back to his hotel, telling me to follow him to his room, that he want to have sex with me. Look at Harrison. Harrison, get the victims here. Harrison, wait. Look, I'm a post to everything. I want evidence. Wait, Harrison, wait. Are you trying to get your fellow psychopaths? What you do is what this guy did. Because of each line, here police in our cover. Harrison, I your cousin's number. Do you want me to call him? Wait, let me call your cousin. For your cousin left you because of so who gave good why you na now so who got manipulate the system and manipulating. Wait, look I call them look at the man kage on appointment now. The man kage in no ramifications. That is why nobody were able to vote you. Your political career kurako agbaramga and when hit political career and the ex-convicts. All of you ex-convicts in Obuta, and when hit political career. Imagine you Ejibo Ikrimikri. They are banned under politics. People will finish now. He get destroyed in the matter. Imagine you Ikrimikri. Ejibo Ikri. Base under politics na konfomegi. No. Political career again one. Agbarangia before. Now political career again go. You can't move forward as far as I leave it. I will keep spreading this news. People must know you. Nobody can close my mouth. I know I'm in Nigeria. When I go say, when I the same person make it come me. Lie. My First Amendment rights. Before I got my citizen, years back, when I went there, the first question the day I went to interview, what is your First Amendment right? Freedom of speech. I heard that one lamajiri. Back to back. No, should I better report to America? When the man done, I laugh. I rotate, I come back. America can't be reporting. Please do come. Ntichagi hechacha. Igamana gina wani mekori ihe. I told you thought I'm playing. I told you I'm too rugged to a fault. I'm too bloody. I wish you go enter, come report me to America. Now I'm exercise my freedom of speech. Get brief negitiana most wanted. You think I will keep quiet? I'm a chogi to every limit. You know what teach about again. I'm not begogi. I'm not begogi. Otinogogi. That's the condition. Etinogogi na area. When no bit bill and you're ban international court. You never see anything. I am the wrong bitch to fuck with. I'm baggy the truth. As well as I'm right, I got school. I got the pencil. I'm not daft like you. It's your woman. Tikage. What I go? So let me call Harrison cousin that started disposing Harrison. Wait. Chere, human rights activist. Chere my boy. I wish he's online. Let me call him. I wish he'd pick up. Harrison, you wicked. I'm not believing you. Nanu. Also like about I know now you are go. I got me point. Check you on your shit. Make I call and make you see whether you go pick up. What? They got no you. You know they hide. You know they fear you. Any appointment, no kage. In all ramifications, so kage. Ikli. Each and you can get deceive. Who you go deceive? When they share this program, Chagi program, click love and like. Iga best scam untem every day scam uga people. It just me pay record people undi gitere. I mega confiscate ya their car. Why go le hage with it? They bring moto hide ya. People are not habo. Name incubate haro. People keep incubating rubbish because nobody wants to talk. They want to get your Attire connection when no cross a bar. The guy the other called the I wish you're online now. Please call me. Children, it's I'm waiting with the information. This guy in a post room Ishi no people that you took over their cars and asking them to give you millions of naira before you release their cars. My brother, your brother was busy telling okay. It can play reggae voice note to people Yahoo boys. Intimidated them for them to give you money before you release their cars. Harrison, tell me what you have not done. Tell me what you have not done. Somebody go fund me in a bay. Now what did you do? Nigerians without no brain ask questions. Whether you like Ogechi or you hate Ogechi, that is not the bone of contention here. Harrison always targets more opportunity he will tap into. Yeah, who had the opportunity had that to scam people. The same thing about this young lady's case. This young lady's case, he tap into it, he tried to make money. People are how long will you continue to do this? How long will you continue? This is the people who don't get a channel. Watch out, Harrison. I know your case. When you get this time, when you get it, okay? Ashe madam calm down and say no. The don't more taking it by force. I'm a G force, so now the power destroyer. That's Harrison. Do you think the evil in Harrison listen to a cool voice? It should not a cool voice, no. Would the voice only understand is this kind of voice? Okay? So don't tell me to calm down and explain. And when you calm down, look, this is the young man, Harrison, scam. Nana emoto ya. I'm a shini here. I'm not bagging correct. I got my people sweet na. Lekwaya, a Sue Harrison. Harrison, how many court cases you like for you to refund a gondem madunine? How many court cases you like for you to return a gondem madunine you took away from them? And Harrison, how many court cases you like you took over people's money? People's money, you scam them without no mercy. Eh? Lekwaya, what a certificate in Maduna? Ne, Lekwaya Harrison Bamnish, Lekwaya. People you wanted to collect their Yahoo. Ghana, God will say Yahoo in their lives. Will say the men Yahoo in their lives. Doshi. And the one captain. I got you. Yeah, come and close my mouth now. Come and close my mouth. Come and close my mouth. So I got my bank captain. Some of the young men, Harrison, Jiri, Napuchaha, Keha Butere, that will say the men Yahoo guy in their life. Will say the men Yahoo guy.
Hello, my brother. Good.
Check me play reggae voice.
Oh, thank you, my brother.
Play reggae voice. Harrison Divola. Many women. Harrison will take case. Yebuzo offer sex. Yebuzo offer sex. Iji go Harrison will take you to bed and walk it on your society that's speaking for now. That is society that's speaking for now. That but a young girl soon with a problem. Yeah, but these people think the Ogechi no more unuga shut up. Lekwaya here. Tell me shigia. Anama Lekwaya, go read it. Read it. Let me read it for you. Let me read it for you. On Adem Magine mi hegeji fact. Harrison has dubious character. Harrison is a malicious being. He's a pure ikiri. Onyo lagaranga fear onyo lagaranga. No matter how they trying to sample their lifestyle. Nakiri uje no be your mates. When you enter there, iweji ikiri. Ikiri kewo. You want to go ikirikiwu? So I show him go. Oh, we right to ask for money, but oh, you should go after last year. How many times will Harrison be using opportunity? Why is he using this vulnerable to young ladies? Their cops so na ego. Why is he using the condition, their vulnerability na ego? Harrison won a kataga for this thing. Harrison was not the only person who is scattered. How many bloggers use their platform now? They go on Harrison on this case. What are you guys even telling me? On Harrison. No, on this case. Why must Harrison open a GoFundMe now? On today. Why must Harrison open a GoFundMe at this time, at this critical time? Especially now more these two young ladies. You would have said that he has every right to ask money. On what detriment? On what account? Must you use every condition, every vulnerable state to ask for money? Harrison can ask for money individually on his. Why is it that everything open email? You actually scam people. Because someone at this case is too sensitive. This case is very sensitive. Harrison I hold the opportunity. Or just squeeze the gullible ones. This case, This morning. Is it not the parents of this family? Or we have Harrison Harrison one name but the family of these people. That is where the fund should go to, not Harrison. This is not too fucked up in reasoning. What is the money asking for? Last year, Harrison 100 million. 2 years ago, Harrison ate Ebuigwe's 5 million. 5 years ago, Harrison claimed to have a kidney. He has a kidney problem. Knowing fully well there is no kidney problem. Harrison scammed you. How many times will Harrison use every little thing to scam people? And I'm a joke that say that Harrison has every right. Or who Harrison familiar. These two family, they are lost their young ladies. Or Harrison and another go for what? What did you do? You see how gullible Unude that he has put in too much work. What work, please, if I may ask? What about those police that shot Andrew? Can they ask for money? So they'll come out again and open GoFundMe. The police people that took away that psychopath, so they have every right also to come online and open a GoFundMe and ask money. Hey, una de mumu too much. Una too de advocate de mumu. Yeah? Is it not the two ladies Kamna June go for me, their family to console them because of this kind of tragedy? Anama June, why must Harrison open accounts? Go fund me. For what? On what condition make Harrison? Harrison, or the first people that started searching for this thing, that they brought to jail Patakotu, Yawu Hijana, 10,000 pounds. Sorry, 10,000 euro. Hey! Our people are really ask a brain with this guy and about Harrison. Lions upon liars. Cases in it that Harrison too can be sexualizing our women. Yeah, before Harrison Harrison Ebuzo Nanga go Geju case gaha fuck wire up. Let me read one of the victims. Let me read one of the victims. Wait, let me read it. Now, oh, these are the victims Harrison disbanded. Listen, Oshi, I bought the bread and some other things. He now told me, Oshi, I got to take bread. I go na kuku Harrison. Oshi, I got to take bread. Oshi, okay. Good. The campido Ishi. Let me start from the beginning. Good morning. Listen. Good morning. I don't want to be dragged in this mess with Prince, but I have something to tell you. When it starts, then maybe I can give you my testimony. But for the meantime, keep me anonymous. Gemantin. Good morning. Last month, I called Prince telling him to assist me with a little girl who was abused by those she was staying with. Okay, go on. Okay, go on. He told me to come and meet him at a hotel in Owerri. Kemantio, towards Concord Avenue. He said, when I'm coming, I should get him bread. I bought the bread. Now, I bought the bread and some other things. He now told me he didn't have any money on him. He collected my purse, ransacked it, and gave it to me. I was surprised, but I kept calm. Later, he took me back to his hotel, telling me to follow him to his room, that he want to have sex with me. That he want to have biari that lady na call Harrison Jikura heaven. Harrison Jiwuruke. Are you now listening to it? Are you now listening a sex addict like Harrison? I hope you will not get problem and go to Harrison. He will scatter your abibu. I'm not going to the truth. I was not like, do you sleep with people before helping them? He kept quiet. He threw the picture away and didn't call me about it again. Did you hear it? Eh? Ide film? On Instagram, maybe I go join Instagram. Maybe I go be Instagram because of Harrison. Because I don't like Instagram. Maybe I go join Instagram. Maybe people are being managed Harrison very well. Maybe I go, hold on, let me even see whether I go live on Instagram. Ndala. Wait. I'm not going to go live on Instagram. Because I don't do Instagram. It's not my thing. Chere? Oh, now my Harrison or Foma. Okay. Where is that Instagram self? Chere? Let me see what I have on Instagram. Now makage. Dala. Who na they deceive? Okay, right here. Let me see whether I will go Instagram. Instagram live. Chere? I did the page my Instagram. Wait. Dala. How do you even go live on this Instagram? I don't even do this. Okay, live. Okay. Instagram now. Okay. Come get this phone. Ah! Okay. Wait. They enter there now. Jere? I know my Instagram, but I'm a Jim Akagi. He give my Instagram now. But Instagram ditch from in the Facebook. KK, they made this thing. Hold on. My man, I'm not an Instagram person. Okay. Go live. Okay. Harrison Bamnishi. In the Instagram, get no mentio. If you're watching this Instagram, I don't know whether you know they share Instagram or you know they share Instagram. Harrison is a born criminal. Harrison is a thief. Harrison is a scammer. Harrison always use every opportunity to scam people. Please do not pay Harrison attention by seeking. I don't know whether you guys do share Instagram. But this information is very, very important that you spread this information. Harrison Bamnishi is a pure scammer. There is nothing like Harrison raising money for anybody. As I'm talking to you, I heard that Instagram, you guys don't know much about Harrison. Harrison is a complete scammer. I have evidence. Pure evidence. So if you're on this Instagram, I would like you, I don't know how you guys do it. I don't come here, but because of Harrison, I want to come and open on our eyes. Facebook people watching me live, and also I'm dabbing into the Instagram. In the year of, hold on, let me get that year correctly before I will give you guys false information. Let me get the year correctly. Hold on. I will get the year correctly. Just give me a minute. Harrison is a criminal. Don't be deceived. Harrison is a criminal. He pure one with evidence. Oh, with evidence. No. With evidence. A lot of evidence. A lot of evidence. Don't be deceived. Okay. May 2000. Hold on. 80. Okay. Why this thing is not showing the actual date? I'm going to give you guys an assignment now. Go to your Google Harrison kidney problem. I don't, hold on. About 7 million. Harrison, I think 2006, if I'm not mistaken. Harrison came to social media and told people that he had a kidney issue. People raised 7 million naira for Harrison. Look at him. This is the bed where he formed a critical kidney problem guy. Hold on. This is the fake bed in the hospital. He deceived millions of people in the hospital. This is it. Harrison went to bed and did, hold on, I don't know why this thing is not bright. Hold on, guys. I hope it's better now. I don't know. I guess. So as you're watching me on Facebook, I hope you're also watching me on Instagram. Harrison went to hospital. Harrison claimed to have gone to hospital. Look at him here. Look at Harrison. He claimed that he had a kidney problem and formed a show of deceiving millions of people. Look at him here. Look at him here. Facebook people, look at him here. This is where he formed that he had a kidney problem. Look at it here. Harrison went and formed a kidney problem and scammed people in the name of 7 million naira that he had a kidney problem. When people started digging, they discovered that Harrison had no kidney problem whatsoever. That there's nothing like a kidney problem. I heard that Instagram, you guys said we are hailing Harrison. Harrison is a pure scammer. Harrison is somebody who always use every little opportunity to make money. In a year, I think two years ago, when Igbo, the Igbo that all of you guys know very well. My Instagram handle is Ogechi Njaka. Ogechi Njaka, that's my Instagram handle. For those of you that are asking about my Instagram handle on Facebook. In this year, I think that was 2 years ago, when Igbo came out and start asking money to go to India to get himself equipped when he had this accident. Ibori gave Igbo 5 million. Harrison swallowed the money. We have to come out, we raise money for Igbo. That was why Igbo were able to go to the hospital and get himself well taken care of. Harrison scammed Ada Jesus' mother. If I'm lying, you can reach out to Ada Jesus' mother. There is nothing to lie here. I'm not gonna lie to get anything. Harrison lied and collected the whole money that they raised for that Jesus' mother. That Jesus' mother is still crying for that money to date. Harrison have not refunded any money to date. Harrison came out last year and asked people to donate 100 million to him. Harrison Bamnishi last year, Harrison gathered thousands of Ndi Igbo, thousands of everybody. Harrison gathered and asked people to raise money for him. That his business, Gary business is going down. That he borrowed a lot of money. Harrison swallowed that money to today. His Gary business is no longer functioning. Then are you guys not asking Harrison, say, where are the money people raised for you last year? That you claimed that you are in financial crisis, that people that you borrowed money to open this or this thing, that they were not, they did not pay you, that you borrowed money from them and this. Harrison, where is your Gary business? Is the Gary business not functioning? Have you swallowed that money? Nah. We're supposed to be raising money for these victims that lost their lives. Harrison decided to put his account again and open GoFundMe. Is it not the victims, the family, and their children we're supposed to be raising money now? Please, can you guys tell me the reason why we should raise money for Harrison? Just give me one reason. We should raise money for Harrison. Can you guys tell us the reason why we should generate 10,000 euro for Harrison again after we raised 100 million for Harrison last year? Not only that, the money Harrison lied that he had a kidney problem. Harrison did not return that 7 million to today. Please, can you ask Harrison, for those of you that want to talk to him privately, ask Harrison, what did you do with the 7 million raised when you claimed that you had kidney problem? Where is the money? You guys don't want to ask the main questions. And when I start to tell you guys the truth, it becomes a problem. Harrison, for those of you that are listening to me on Instagram, please, I don't know how you guys distribute Instagram, whether on they share them, whether on they copy them, make on share it, copy it, send it to anybody that care to know. Ask Harrison to provide the 5 million they gave him for Igbo treatment. Harrison swallowed the money. He did not give it to Igbo. Ask Harrison, the 7 million people raised for him, he claimed that he had kidney problem. Where is the money? Ask Harrison, The money people raised for him, the 100 million he claimed that his business was going bang, 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 bang. His business, he borrowed a lot of money. Ask Harrison, what did he do with the money? Now, ask Harrison, why are we using his account to do GoFundMe now? Harrison, why are we not raising money for the victim? The two ladies, they lost their lives in this predicament. Why are we not using their own account to raise money? Harrison, why do you always use every vulnerability? Ebu Igwe was critical ill. You came in that you want to save Ebu Igwe. You collected the 5 million, you swallowed it. You came out with your own critical condition, claimed that you had kidney issue. After all said and done, you sent an apology. That you had a family problem. You had this problem. That was why you claimed to have a kidney problem. Harrison, my question is, why do you always use every vulnerability time to scam vulnerable ones? I'm asking you, what are you going to do with the 10,000 euro you're trying to? Are you the victim family? Harrison, are you the victim family? I'm trying to figure out, what are you? Why would we raise money for you? And also ask Harrison, where is the money that our dad Jesus' mother has been calling Harrison for how many years now to return? Where is the money? Why is he not returning the money? For those of you that want to join me on Instagram, those of you want to join me on Instagram, is the Ogechi. Sorry, Okeke, sorry, not Ogechi. Okeke Njaka. That is my Instagram handle. Okeke Njaka, not Ogechi. Okeke Njaka, that is my Instagram handle. Harrison, where are all this money? What are you doing with this money? People are requesting to join. People, they request to join here too. Okay, now. Make I add you now. I don't know. Okay. I don't know how now they do this one. This one is not my thing. But anyway, I heard that this is the place that Harrison will come and be deceiving all of you. Harrison will be deceiving all of you. Hello? 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 Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, man.
Good evening, oh.
Good evening.
Yeah, I'm treating Harrison matter. Do you have anything to contribute?
I don't know the man actually, sir, but the way people are talking bad about him is very, very good.
My brother, it's not even only bad though. See, let me count everything that this guy has done on this blue apple. Let me count it. You know, when we keep quiet, people will like to forget things talking about. The point is that, you know, Ebu Igwe, the one that acts movie, you know Ebu Igwe very well, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ebu Igwe had a terrible accident, was soliciting for money for years. Nobody were coming for Ebu Igwe. Luckily for Ebu Igwe, a young man called Ibori came out and gave Ebu Igwe 5 million naira. Everybody saw it. Now we asked Harrison to bring the money so everyone can use it and go to. We never knew that Harrison is having financial problem. Oh. Ibori gave Harrison this money. Nobody knew that Harrison was having financial problem. Harrison took the money. Then everybody was okay. Bring the money now. Let's go to the immigration and submit all these things so we can go. Harrison will say, "Come today, come tomorrow, come tomorrow, come the next day." Harrison refused to bring this money till today. Harrison ate the money, and the people like Baby Oku and the one I generated for him was able to enable Igwe to go to India to go and do surgery. Now, I think that was 2016, if I'm not mistaken. I stand to be corrected. Go to Google and Google Harrison. Harrison came up on social media and told people that he had a kidney problem. People ran to Harrison, donated 7 million naira. You know, people that are very, very Christmas, they started digging to see whether what Harrison told people are true. They discovered that Harrison had nothing to do with it. There is no kidney problem. There is no whatsoever. That nothing happened to Harrison kidney issue. When he knew that people has already found out that he was lying, Harrison came and said, I am sorry, oh. I was having financial problem. Oh. I am sorry. Oh. Now, I asked Harrison, what did you do with the money? Were you able to donate the money to the less privileged? Were you able to donate the money to people that need the money? Knowing fully well that you obtained this money by tricks. Hello?
Hello? I'm hearing you, ma.
Yeah, I thought you was about to say something. Hello there, how are you? You're welcome.
Fine, good. Yeah, good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Did you refund the money?
See, listen, I'm happy with this exposition.
Yes.
You know, all these people don't know. I think, especially Facebook people, I'm sorry to use this word. Facebook people are so gullible.
I'm telling you.
I don't blame them because Facebook is not advanced like Instagram. And I think those people that are talking on Facebook, they are less than 20 years old because if these people have been on this app for 12 to 10 years ago,
I'm telling you.
No Harrison. So I will advise you to just calm down and then take them, carry them along one. All these cases, if you are mentioning the once, they will get confused. They won't believe everything you are saying. Just calm down. If you want to treat everybody on, treat it. If you want to treat the one and down for that, just treat it. If you don't take them one after the other and express everything, I think he expects people in everything he does. So just take it easy, okay? I like everything you do. God bless you.
God bless you, sir. I appreciate you. Thank you all. We are going to dab into this case on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you all for joining and thank you all for reasoning with me. Sorry, I'm kind of upset. You guys know me. I have no dull moments. That is why whenever I'm active. The thing they vex me. You know, so make una no vex. My spirit, my blood, they hot. Especially when I see people that being used. You know, the thing they provoke me. I am sorry if I'm kind of harsh. You know, sorry that I'm using this thing to Instagram. I could have used this one because this is where all the information about Harrison is. But nevertheless, this case will last as long as it can. This matter, Harrison, is going to last as many years as it can. Now let me discuss about Ebu Igbe's case. Ebu Igbe is alive. If I'm lying, go and verify. Ebu Igbe, can someone tag Ebu Igbe here? Ebu Igbe is alive. If I lie, may God judge me. Anything I'm about to say here. I volunteered myself. I catered for myself. I used this head. I'm putting for Ebu Igbe to make sure that this guy uses his 2 legs to walk again. Is there? Go and verify. I know a lot of people are joining and people don't know history about this Harrison. But thank God I'm still alive. And I will tell the story the way it is. So people will open their eyes. What I go? Okay, Ebu Igbe, my brother. Thank God you are alive. Thank God you are walking with 2 legs. Though Harrison, Ebu Igbe cried out. Please, can somebody get me that? Anyway, this matter never the end. Can somebody give me that video Ebu Igbe made that was crying bitterly when Harrison took his money? Any dream that video? Any dream that video? You know, internet never forgets. Any dream that video, Ebu Igbe in your possess, send it to me. Anybody that have that video, send it to me. We need to be bringing all these things back. People will know. People don't know. Harrison went to jail because of all the atrocity he committed and he came out to deceive all of you. You want to go? Any dream that video that Igwe came out and started crying for Harrison to give him the money Ibori gave him. He shared, not even tears, blood though. Blood though. People forget so easily. Nah, that one is not enough. Oh. Harrison took the money and ate it with Korokoro. What would you do? That was what prompted Baby Okon and I to do this fundraising to make sure that Igbo Igwe uses 2 legs. I provided where Igbo Igwe stayed in India. Igbo Igwe will be my witness. I provided it until Igbo Igwe became normal. Igbo Igwe came back. He's a living witness. If I lie, he can come out and use his platform and say, Ogechi, I am lying. Now, we are asking Harrison, please, can you release the 5 million Ibori gave Igbo Igwe? Harrison refused to release that money. Till date, Harrison have not released that money. Harrison swallowed the money, ate the money without no remorse, without knowing that Igbo Igwe has stayed over 5 years sitting down, soliciting for help, sitting down crying for help. Please, I need help. Please, I need help. And the God answered his prayer at that critical time, because Harrison made a post. So Ibori is from Harrison place. Ibori said, okay, now you made a post. I will handle you. I will give you this 5 million. Use it and go and support Igbo so he can go to India. Till today, Harrison swallowed that money. Harrison did not release that money to today. Harrison later came out and said that he have given it to Ibori. I called Ibori. I said, Ibori said there is no way he will give money and collect it back. That is all he can tell me. That I don't want to play that young man voice notes on social media because I have too much respect for him. For him bringing out 5 million. He said he have told Harrison to return the money to Igbo Igwe. Harrison refused. That man you are seeing is a bloody devil. That Harrison you are seeing, where person where they see for face. Believe Harrison on your own peril. Harrison swallowed that money to today. Now, 2016 or 2000, if I'm not mistaken, Harrison went on social media and asked people to donate money for him that he had a kidney problem. Harrison started with a fake picture where he went to the hospital, and look at Harrison. This is where Harrison claimed to be in the hospital. Are you guys seeing it? Harrison went to the hospital and claimed that he had a kidney problem. Gullible Nigerians, sympathetic Nigerians decided to start giving Harrison money. They were still raising until somebody busted that Harrison had no issue. Harrison had no kidney issue. There is nothing like a kidney issue. When the was started to get real, Harrison came out and said, I'm sorry, I had financial problem. Somebody that always has financial problem will come out and solicit money every little opportunity. Harrison came out to say, I had kidney problem. Oh, people. Harrison came out and apologized. Now my question is, after apologizing, were you able to refund the money to the poor? Did you go to the less privileged and give them this money? Harrison swallowed that 7 million till today. Now, let me shock you again. Ada Jesus, for you guys to remember Ada Jesus, the mother is still alive. You can still relate to I still talk to the mother till date. The woman, I still talk her to date. You can go and verify if I'm lying. Ada Jesus' mother, go and ask her. The money people generated for Ada Jesus, where did Harrison keep the money? Harrison did not release the money. Ada Jesus' mother and their brother has been calling Harrison. Harrison blocked all of them. If I'm lying, look for Ada Jesus' mother and verify. Maybe Ogechi is lying. She's trying to get to Harrison. Call Ada Jesus' mother and go and find out if I'm lying. Harrison swallowed that money to today. Harrison did not release that money. As I'm talking to you, till now. If Harrison can come up and fake kidney problem, what more lies can't Harrison fake? If someone will use his own life and play a game in the name of getting money by tricks. Thank God. Oh, okay. Thank God. I'm Kesha block. Yeah, that's the easiest way. Block. Oh yeah. Bye. Block. Ozugbo. Ọ na-eme eme. Goodbye. So if Harrison can use his own life to claim that he has kidney problem, what more can Harrison can do? Harrison swallowed every piece of shit till today. Last year, Harrison came out and said that he need 100 million to support his Gary business. He need money for personal issues. He need money for different issues. He need money for the people raise money. Harrison, where is that Gary business now? I'm asking you, where is that Gary business? You deceive thousands of people on that Gary business. Where is that Gary business? Where is that Gary business that you generated from people? Another one is that Harrison, if Harrison gets your case in the name of they are collecting your cards, your Yahoo boy, Harrison will start billing you. And when oh no, this thing can make Instagram. I could have been showing you all the details. I could have been showing you all the details. Harrison will use that against you. Harrison will tell you, oh, this thing is a problem. You have to pay 2 million before we will release your case. We have to pay 3 million before you release your case. This is what Harrison does. Harrison will go and leak your secrets. Mama, is Harrison is planning to jabber for US? It's possible, I don't know. Harrison has scammed a lot of people with their hard-earned money. Anybody that is an ex-convict, do not trust that person. Anybody that told you, oh, he's an ex-convict and went to jail, and they are the risk of this place. They are the main risk. After this program, I might go on very soon, but I will turn Harrison. Your matter is always permanent program for my matter. Now my question is, this 10,000 euro, you are raising money to travel to US because the one you scammed them last year, you have finished the money. So is your plan now to japa or get money to japa? Mana Jogio, my question is, are you supposed to be the one people raising money for or the victim? The victim you should present the account of this victim. Say, okay, we are here to present this account so we can raise money for this family. Harrison, why are you presenting your account for people to be doing GoFund you for you? Why is people raising money for you and not the victims? What happened to the victims' account and their family? Your duty, if you are doing job, if you are pure in doing this job you claim you're doing, you should locate their family. You should book ticket for the Ghanaian lady, their family. You should look for this young lady too, that is a victim, the young Igbo lady or thereabout or Calabar, and brought their family to your platform. So people will see that you're doing good job. How can you charge people for this case? You said you are a human rights activist. Why can you charge people for this case, Harrison? Why are you charging people for this case? I'm asking you. You're supposed to use your humanitarian work as a human rights activist and get this case done. You should look for this. Now I'm telling you what to do because I know your criminal mind will block you from reasoning. I know you cannot reason properly. Your criminal state of mind will not tell you the thing you should do. People don't open ayo. Bloggers, if Harrison is paying you to be supporting him, I pity you. Harrison have a long criminal record. Harrison have a long questionable character. Harrison is a pure demon. You cannot come and tell me, please, oh, if you know the parents of this family, please look for them. Let us do what Harrison couldn't do for them. Why are you? I thought it's the family that's supposed to be bringing the account so they can be able to bury their. Ogechi, I show business because of the greedy gets killed. Ogechi, why will I contribute money for person we go do or olosho business because of greed. Why would Harrison, let me revert the question to you. Why would Harrison contribute money, who ask for money for people that went to Olosho business on this case? Why would Harrison open his own GoFundMe? For people, I'm reversing the case, the question you asked me back to you. Why would Harrison open a GoFundMe for people that went to Olosho business for trying to use them and make money? I'm reversing the case to you. What are you going to answer me on that? Somebody that commented it on Instagram. I'm reversing the case to you. If you cannot contribute money to people that lost their lives, we are not going to see them anymore. Then why are we contributing money for Harrison that nothing happened to Harrison? Harrison did not do any extraordinary job. Why would Harrison do GoFundMe on 10,000 euro, if I may ask? Are you not ready to answer the question? Harrison, why are you telling people to give you 10,000 euro for what? Are you the victims? Are you the victims? Come now, Joge. Or will your relative? Okay, nobody should contribute anything for both Harrison and the girl. Case closed, I don't have problem. But my main concern, why would Harrison bring out accounts 10,000 euro while you guys raised 100 million for him last year? What do Harrison do with this money? Ew, this man is calling me now. Guys, I will leave Instagram. I need to call this man. Guys, please, how do you turn this? I am under the weather. Oh, hey, this Harrison. Oh, okay. Chai. Oh, Chai, the man is sending me message. Oh. Hi. Actually, I wish the man is available now. The arrow Harrison committed. Harris, if you're a woman and come to Harrison, Harrison will first of all ask you for sex. Harrison will first of all ask you for sex. Take advantage of your vulnerability. If you're not willing, hey, we'll check. Hey guys, I'm on Instagram. I need to. Don't know how you guys do this Instagram. So na Instagram matano. Yan ko bata yan no eba ka Harrison ne ebuku no chandum. Rejustice and reactivate do not require. You see? People post gaya. Rejustice. Joshua, rejustice and rights activists do not require GoFundMe. An internet donation. If you know, so there are lies and fund in between. Is Nigerian police force job to investigate? Anyway, wait to go this half. Oh, Chai. Sorry, my brother. Oh, sorry. Did you hear it? People have started reasoning in their brain. Real justice does not require you. It will police force department. That was the question. So that means the police people should be start opening GoFundMe again. Yeah? So the police force is malaria and okay, my brother. Is police force the one supposed to open GoFundMe or Harrison Dikono? What is Harrison using all this money to do? I know some people will hate me go come they support Harrison. I don't care. I will bent on Harrison matter. Only one brain can never support Harrison. But I am not this lady. Some people know. Did you even you see you get at school? Do you even listen your brain? Or every little opportunity about basket and the Nigeria. Little opportunity about Harrison. Okay, we are here in Ghana. Ghanaians are looking at us. I am not joking. Must you use every little opportunity to scam Nigeria? I'm not joking. But every little opportunity you will come out. Man, joking. If the victim does not have family, why must the GoFundMe go into your account? I keep saying this, Harrison Bamnishi. I'm happy that bloggers that reason with brain have started to ask questions. Then this lady came out and start supporting your evil activity, telling you how Harrison was a son. Harrison had been to jail. Harrison had been, my sister, are you working with Harrison to be scamming our people? Are you one of the Harrison member? And I'm this lady. I'm asking you. So you did not see all the crimes Harrison have been committing. Whenever anything like this showcase, he will use it and scam people. Broad day robbery. Are we not for ya? Are we not for ya? This is the same reason why I wanted to drag Okuro last year when Okuro gave Harrison 100K. This is when I wanted to drag Okuro. Are you guys not seeing what is happening on this blue app? Support because una like Ihonya, una like Ihonya, Yahu Hojo, una support ya. So for you, bend the headnet in whatever get and say the truth. I'm happy that some bloggers, I on one post somebody made, has started to reason with their brain. Read justice. Police people that are supposed to raise money to go for this investigation. What right do you have to start raising 10,000 euro? Last year you raised 100 million. The upper year you ate us 7 million by claiming that you had a kidney problem. The other year you ate 5 million. What more? Will you choke them before people will know that you are a original ex-convict criminal? And this blew up. Can't you? Where is your Gary business? You use Gary business, cover people eye, cover people eye, cover people eye, cover people eye. But Gary business no they give. Now you want to use this little opportunity that you've been jumping like cocaine and rats in front of everything. You was busy using this who called you now this thing you're jumping. I know you are up to some. I wanted to say this thing yesterday. Somebody said, okay, calm down. Don't use this two young ladies that lost their life for this. Calm down. He will show very well. And exactly what I said, he showed. And I'm new members and then I support to get to continue to scam people. Do I know that when some bloggers that they are supporting you to help you to finish the remaining job we came with 2016 with your kidney issue, scam one day matter, broad day robbery. Last year is he put a 100 million. Go. Harrison, can't you manana kadia with 2 million JJ this thing? Must you use every people's condition to generate money? Again, Harrison, what is it? Instagram. Okay, go to yourself. Come reply and then send the message in a WhatsApp. People are sending the wrong phone. When they send the come be on Instagram, be on Facebook. And I'm back way next time. Wait. Watch our video. Thank you for sending me this. Watch our video. When you scammed the money Ibori gave him, you ate 5 million today. Yeah, we never knew that you've been having financial issues. Financial issue. Are you a policeman? Why are you taking every laws in your hands to be using the opportunity? And people will be so useless and gullible and be talking rubbish. There, baby, can be that. Thank you for this video. Okay, Okay. Okay.
Also on the same side. I'm not married to this.
Okay. Which is the normal process. Imagine. Share this video. Oh, release the money.
Enough money to take care of myself. He said, yes, money. I have somebody who will have given me money for the statement. If you can never talk around now, if you go, I'm going to a visa. Can you hear me, Harrison people? Can you hear me, Harrison? Can you hear me, Harrison? Harrison, I'm going to Harrison is now in the film, can I also you the trouble before I Harrison, can you hear me again? Harrison, can you hear me again? Harrison. Harrison is number scammer. Can you give me a scam? Colonial scam. Can you use scam? Harrison. 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 Harrison, I will walk with my two legs. Harrison, I will give you a boogie window. When you went to the come down, Harrison, I will give you. Harrison, you will see in Mama, in
Never.
Jesus.
them with your own account. Has that become the account for me? Did I say it? And when you I want to know because I want to has to get him again. Has to get him for the last 2 years. I'm not going to get here. For I look at that. I'm not going to be able to decide. What's in there one day? I'm not going to get it. I'm going to say, I'm going to say, I'm going to first actually get a mark. Let us say, here, Maka. Oh, yeah. Somebody was saying, I'm not from. I'm going to have a missing. Secondly, phone, I'm going to have a missing. Now, you know, one of the persons having all these scammers, all these scammers. Harrison, public figure. Everybody knows me. Everybody talk about me. Harrison, I was going to have him in room. Harrison, I'm making him to ask. Harrison, oh, we're going to have a good that. You have been talking, you know, yeah. For you, my brother, it will not work for you because you're not John Medic. And we're not John Medic. I have never done you any wrong. Harrison Bashun. I'm proud of you. That's the matter how good Harrison, what's not my one? Harrison, whether you like it or Harrison, it will never be well with you. Specialty hospital or the ordinary India and the officer and the go and I have go to my visa everything. Here now, okay. He has given me the money, 1.5. Yes. Now, yes, 5 million. The all money is for me. That I should go and take care of myself. Now, I'm like, I'm not police. Now, I'm like, I'm
Ibori never collected the money. He confirmed it to me that he did not collect the money from Harrison. That however you guys will get the money, that he has given the money that he will not take it back. Till today, Harrison ate that 5 million naira. Till today, Harrison was not able to return the money. Agagu ole hapu ole. Agagu how many? He claimed that he have returned the money to Ibori. Then we started calling Ibori. Ibori said that it's not that how much is 5 million that he will give back and return it. Harrison swallowed that money till today. The same way Harrison swallowed the 7 million they gave him when he claimed that he had a kidney problem. The same way Harrison swallowed the one they donated to Ada Jesus. Can you guys even ask Harrison, what did he do with all this money? Can Harrison name with all this money people have been giving him in the name of others? What has Harrison done with all this money? Now he came out again. Another strategy. Anywhere he sees victims, Harrison will use it against the victim. Now, Harrison, are we raising money for you that they slaughter your 2 sisters? Or are we raising money that the transportation that took you to Patakot or wherever the incident happened, that is the 10,000 euro. What are we raising the 10,000 euro for? The 100 million. If the 100 million that people generated for you last year, what did you do with the money? What did you do with the money, Harrison? The Gary business is no longer functioning. What did you do? Is it because people have caused you repeatedly that your life is no longer moving forward? Anywhere you put hand, the thing will collapse. Anywhere you put hand, go and settle people you eat their money that things are not moving forward for you, Harrison. People cause is working on you. No matter how you trying to cover everything, it will never work. People cause is germinating in you. People that you took their money, they are causing you on daily basis. And that is so small that is still laying curses on your head. And we will let curses on your head that you will never have peace. Go and settle people that you collected their money so you will be free. Oh. Now, even that this is the easiest way to collect money from people. Everybody you have commented and they share tears. You must pay with your life for nothing. You see, when your hands are clear, when your hands are clean, if people cost you from morning to night, you no go work. But I can see that every cost people laid on you, you collected their money, is working on you. Go and do spiritual cleansing and go and settle people with the people you collected their money from. You cannot be duping people on it every day. Please, the GoFundMe, is it for the victims or for you? Why are we giving you money? If I may ask, why is people giving you money? I just want to find out the reason why people are giving you money. Anyway, guys, I'll be live again for another case. For another case that took that video the naked lady. Harrison, your case is Jurumunaka. But people, I'm gonna end Harrison case because I don't want to jump pack it with this one I'm doing. Join me live after I turn this live off. There is a young guy called Watana Yeze. Watana Yeze. There is a young guy called Watana Yeze. That's another case. Well, everybody knows Watana Yeze. Join me live. Watana Yeze decided to screen record a woman that he's having sex with on social media. Screen recorded the lady and be threatening the lady. Akima didn't make a call. In fact, join me live. I'll be right back. Come close with this one. Harrison Bamnishi, you can't scam people again. You know, because of people based in Nigeria, a lot of them they are dodging to discuss some of. And I hear a day. I say, make una the family they come America. When I say to come back to Nigeria, I know they come. I go they give it to na woto. Nga kanga na wero no the matches. Join me live. What an arrest, tag him. What an arrest, tag him. Because I'm a bear woto. What an arrest. This case may end up taking you to Nga. Harrison, this is the kind of case you're supposed to be handling. Don't worry, don't handle it. There are people that will handle it better than you. Guys, join me live.